Hi loves, Halara sent me a package. Let's do a haul.
Another banger. Make a call, make a call, bong, bong, make a call, make a deep, body, bong, 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 your body, make a bong, 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 on the make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, fine, no bucket,
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I know, my daddy. Tell me what's in your body. I'm a damn easy, baby. I want go.
These pants from Halara are crazy comfy, super soft, and stretched like a dream. It's got side pockets which are both practical and stylish as well. It comes in different colors and it has this elastic waistband which is easy to pull and comfortable. The material is so relaxed, soft corduroy texture, and it is fit for all day comfort. It's warm but lightweight. Available in multiple Morandi shades and full. It's perfect for casual winter days, coffee runs, or cozy weekend. You can decide to dress it up or dress it down, and this, as you can see, is tall girl friendly. Here's why this hoodie beats the rest. It's super soft and has a wind resistant layer which traps the heat. It provides you with the warmth that you need, and it's fleece lined. It doesn't itch at all, loves, and it's super soft as well. It's lightweight as well and has cuffs that are not too tight on your wrist. You know one thing, mostly with hoodies we misplace our valuables because the kangaroo pocket doesn't protect it. But with this, you've got two hidden zips, one on the right and one inside the kangaroo pocket like I just showed you. So you know what, if it's your key, your phone, just keep it in there and it's safe till you take it out. No one will know you've got a zipper in there. For reference, I'm wearing a size extra large. The search for a pair of comfortable lightweight jeans hasn't been easy, but Halara came to my aid, guys. Can you see the pull? This jean is soft and super stretchy, similar to sweatpants. It's so comfortable, feels smooth on the skin. It has no button or zip, and the pockets are real. You can put anything you want in the pockets, and they are stretchy as well. For those who love the baggy jean or wide leg jean look, this is for you. It doesn't feel stiff or even heavy at all, and you can do a lot of things in it without even realizing you're wearing jean. But you see, you still look like you're wearing jean. For reference, this is a size large.
Join me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I'm eating mess of my mind. And I'm eating you free of my mind. Say your body.
Halara never disappoints. Look at this beauty, this body sculpting booty lifting leggings, and it's got pockets as well. It's so comfortable, but it hugs the body in the right places. Babies, get yours before it runs out.
Baby, as you're whining your body, baby, so crazy. Loving your body, baby, girl, you want to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day, you don't need no other body.
This should be my least favorite, but it's not their fault. The fault is mine. I chose the wrong size. I think I chose a size large. Oh, it's 12 to 14 or so. I was supposed to choose a size 10 or 8 to 10. So it came out really big on me. But the quality is really nice. Halara, Halara, Halara. For quality and for softness, I give it to them. They are doing it.
I just wanna get you beside me.
Thanks for watching, loves. That's the end of our Halara haul. If you want to purchase any of the items, the link to my TikTok shop will be in the description box. Don't forget to click that and make your purchase, which will be worth it because their items are really good. They are comfortable, stretchy, and it feels so comfortable. Feels like skin on the skin. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. It's your girl Ella Jean, and I'm out.